Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 13F and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's focus on the options. They are right here in this upper bar, and tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, the second bar is connected with the timer. We've got 3 options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately notified inside the shutter button, so all we have to do is to simply tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, of course, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course you can quickly turn it off. Just tap on the 3 bars icon and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.